Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini Captions. First, ensure your Gemini application is fully updated to its most recent version. Next, check your device's operating system for compatibility to ensure smooth operation. A stable and strong internet connection is also crucial for the feature to work correctly. Finally, locate the captioning feature within your Gemini application settings to prepare for activation. Now, let's activate the feature. Navigate to the accessibility settings within your Gemini application. You will find an option to toggle Live Caption or Gemini Caption on. Once enabled, you can customize your caption preferences, such as adjusting the text size or color to suit your needs. Remember to confirm your preferred language selection for the most accurate captioning experience. With captions enabled, you're ready to use them in real time. Simply start a conversation or any audio interaction within Gemini. You will then observe the captions appearing automatically on your screen as the audio plays. You have the flexibility to pause or resume the captions whenever necessary during your interaction. Take a moment to review the accuracy of the generated text. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, restart the Gemini application if captions are not appearing as expected. Clearing the app's cache can often resolve minor glitches and improve performance. For more detailed assistance, consult Gemini's dedicated help section. Your feedback is also valuable for improving the overall accuracy and functionality of the caption feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.